Hey guys, this is Madhura. Welcome to Madhura's Desire. I just wanted to show all of you the initial stage of my garden, which is my small vegetable kitchen garden. Let me first give a nice view to all of you, and then I will explain what all I have. It is just an initial stage, guys. I'm so excited to show all of you. Once it starts blooming up, I'm going to take one more video and I'm going to show all of you. So this is how I prepare all the frames for the climbing vegetables. And this is how. Now I'm going to explain you what all vegetables I do have. So I have 16 different varieties of vegetables. And I do have my neighbor's beautiful garden too. You can see them. They also build a nice frame for all the climbing vegetables. They have tomatoes also. It's so beautiful and greenery, and I love to see lovely greenery garden. So here I have almost 35 plants of tomatoes. You can see here some green tomatoes are there. They're yet to ripe. So I have this 35 plants of tomatoes, which has a cherry tomato, which has a globe tomato. And then I will just take you here. I have a small fence kind. This is a bitter melon, the fruit yet to come. So there are like 7 of them. Then I will come to some green chilies, which I have here. You can see those green chilies. There are some big green chilies, and there is a small capsicums, the rich green bell pepper. They have come up, small green bell pepper. And I'm going to take all of you to here, which is eggplant, which we also call a brinjal. So they are almost there. The fruits are coming up. You can see here. And I have shown a seed for methi, which is going to come soon, which is fenugreek. And let's show all of you the beans. I have a beans here. And before that, I'll show you the beans. I have few plants of okra, which is still growing up. And I have a yellow beans, which is ready to harvest. You can see here. Yellow beans. Here also yellow beans. You can see them. So these all are French beans. All are ready to harvest. You can see them. Here. And also I have a kalmi sag, which is nothing but a corn. So they are just popping up. You can see them. And again I can show the beans, which is ready to harvest. So these are the beans. And I have here cucumber. I have just planted one. So they are just growing. They have also bear a fruit over here. And then you can see here is a bottle gourd, which I always plant. The fruit is coming up. Some baby bottle gourds are coming up over here. You can see small baby one. Here another one. Maybe tomorrow it will bloom up. Here another one. So these are the bottle gourd. So here I have a Malabari spinach. You can see very beautifully they have grown up. And here we have a onions. We have some green onions. And here also I have Malabari spinach. And I will take you a little further here. This is called bhattu saag. Also in Canada they call a weed over here. But my earlier recipe we have used two of the dishes which we made with this bhattu. And these are the beans again. And this is the same kifalli, like it's a double beans. When it will grow, I'm going to show again. So here I have put all the bhattus on one side. I have some more green onions I have put over here. You can see. And I have here lal bhaji. We also call red spinach. And in South India they call a chira. We call lal saag. And this is golchichi bhaji. Some people they call a nino bhaji. Some people call, in Odisha we call balu saag. And they are very rich in vitamins and omega-3. So I'm going to show soon. These are all these recipes we are going to make. Here you can see here I have two varieties of pumpkin. You can see here one baby pumpkin is coming up. So I have a butternut squash, and also I have a green pumpkin. So here also I have some more beans which are purple beans. You can see here some are started coming up. It will take time to harvest. And here again I have a kasuli bhaji, also they call a kalalu. And I have a red spinach, red bhaji. So this is how my kitchen garden looks like this year. I'm going to take again one more nice video when the garden is fully blooming up. We have already started harvesting. So this is how it looks. 2024 summer kitchen garden.